Hello and welcome back to Phil's Drone Zone and another transition giveaway. This time I'm giving away a couple of zip transitions, and to use them just download and then install them into the Motion Templates transition folder. To use them then just simply open up the transitions pane and locate the folder that you stored them in, and then just drag them over as you would normally drag over transitions. And that's it. Then you have these nice cute zip transitions ready for you to use. And that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and comment, as they really do make a difference and it will get my videos shown out there. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell so that you will be updated when I upload future giveaways and future tips and tricks for Final Cut Pro. All that remains to be said now is see you in the next video.